For those of us who've been around for a while, it's hard to believe that the Foxbody Mustang is now a bona fide classic car. And there's a lot of demand for these cars and prices just keep going up and up. And we know that means there's going to be a lot of new Foxbody owners. Now, if you just picked up a Foxbody and you're looking to do some work on it, I know that can be daunting trying to figure out even where to start. So in today's first 5 for 5, we're going to talk about 5 modifications that are a great first way to get working on your Foxbody Mustang. And the best thing about these, all 5 of these can be done at home in your garage for less than $500 each. The first one on my list is going to be the ashtray door. Now, the ashtray door flips open and most people don't even use it anymore except maybe to charge their phone in the cigarette lighter port. But in most Foxbodies, it's either already broken or it's gonna break. For less than 20 bucks, the ashtray door is very, very easy to fix and it'll make the interior of your Mustang look a lot better without that door flopping back and forth. Number 2 on my list is going to be the door weather stripping. The door weather stripping gets all torn up on your Foxbody Mustang when you get in and out of the car. It looks terrible, and worst of all, it's going to let water and air up in there, and the water eventually can cause damage and even cause rust. For less than 40 bucks, the door weather strips are very, very easy to swap out, and it'll make the car a lot tighter and a lot quieter inside. The number 3 on my list is going to be a new console top plate. Now, we have modified top plates these days that'll actually upgrade the interior of your Mustang. It gets rid of that ashtray door that always breaks anyway, adds some cup holders and some USB ports to make it a lot more modern, and best of all, you can do it yourself for less than 150 bucks. Number 4 on my list is going to be new carpet. Now, new carpet is going to be the best way to freshen up the interior of your Mustang. It's going to make it much cleaner. It's going to make it smell better. Your old ratty carpet is definitely not doing you any favors. This is an install. It takes a little bit of time, but again, you can easily do it yourself in your garage. And best of all, new carpet, around 150 bucks. Number 5 on my list is going to be a new set of headlights. Foxbody headlights turn yellow, they get hazy, you can't see at night, and they just look terrible on the car. A brand new fresh set of headlights is going to make the car look a lot better and also make it a lot easier to see at night. We have a ton of headlight options, starting for a little over 100 bucks. Now, obviously, there's tons of other things you can do with your Foxbody Mustang, but these 5 things are very common things that'll definitely make enjoyment of your new Mustang a lot more fun. Now, this list is actually somewhat unique because honestly, you could do all 5 of these for less than 500 bucks, where usually it's just each one. But again, there's tons of cool stuff for Foxbodies. Make sure you check out our channel, watch our videos, and be back on the road in no time.